अच्छा न्यूज़ अच्छा ये खड़े आए लेफ्ट ये खड़े चलो आप माय सिस्टर इज गोइंग विद यू हां क्या Thank you very much. I expected people to turn up, and I'm very happy to see so many of our Tiprasa brothers and sisters and people from other communities as well came together, and to see so many people who are from different communities, different religion, different background come together and support the joint candidate between Motha and BJP is something that I always wanted to see, communal harmony, and if this is the way we all go ahead, then I think we can actually see everyone develop in our state.
Thanks. And you are confident of winning?
I never get into anything without being confident of winning. I think in life, one should never go with an attitude that you will lose. When there was a brew accord, when I went and I fought for the young people, I never thought that we will lose. I knew that we will win. When I got into the ADC, I knew we will win. When I got into the assembly election, all of us as a team, we knew that we were going to fight without compromising. And when the historic accord was being signed, even at that time, I knew that we will do something so that my community can get something. And today, we are sending a candidate which will support our accord in Delhi and which will not work against our interests. So actually, if we can work for positivity, then I'm sure there are many good people who want the Tiprasa people to come up, even from different communities. So my idea is what? My idea is to uplift my community, not fight against anybody else. And if this is the gathering that I see, then I'm sure we will win by a record margin, not just in the east, but also in the west.
Thanks. Thanks.
Thank you, Bubagra.
Confident of the winning this election?
You have seen, whether you have seen or not.
We have seen,
This is
sir.
my question.
We have seen, sir.
So what is your observation?
We can't
What do you think?
we can't give any
You should
comments,
say.
sir. So comments.
You are also a human being, no? So you should also say you have seen a
Right, sir.
large number of people come here. And I am sure that we are going to win. And our Modi ji already said that our target is 370. I hope it will go beyond that. And our target is with alliance partner go beyond 400. I don't know where it will go ultimately. So I'm sure that this time from east and west, both the constituencies, we are going to win. And today this east parliamentary constituency, our candidate is Maharani Kriti Singh Debbarma Mahadaya. So along with her and our Motha founder, Maharaja Kriti Devi Singh Debbarma, we all went to submit the nomination.
Thanks. Thanks.
কোনো ঝামেলা করতাম না টাকা বড় করে দাঁড়িয়ে দিছি
আস্তে
আরে নিতাম না তো লোক নিতাম না তো নিতাম না তো